Come spend a day with me in Barbados. I woke up to the beautiful sunshine, some cuddles in bed, and I decided to walk over to the local bakery in the rain to get myself some coffee and a bagel. The boys just wanted cereal, so I just grabbed some for me. And then after a quick nap, we headed
So
out.
this place comes with access to like a beach club and pool. We're gonna head there now.
So the beach club is just across the street from us, so we walk over there. It gets quite hot here, so we try to make sure that Ibrahim is in the shade. Also, tell me how Zachariah just randomly started to swim while in Barbados. Anyways, the beach was right across the beach club, so of course we had to stop there. It was time for Ibrahim's nap. While he was napping, I went for a little walk and got some snacks. So you find these like Bajan fish balls here, and they're so delicious. I order them everywhere I go. I also got myself a little drink, and then it was back to the pool because Zachariah refused to leave. Anyways, we went home, got changed, and then we went out for a little sunset dinner. The sunsets in Barbados are absolutely unreal and they seem to last for a very
And
long
then
time. Some ice cream to end our night.